You just found the 2019 Buick Cascada. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Buick Cascada, the refined and luxurious convertible that meets your demands for driving pleasure as well as safety. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, fog lamps, backup camera, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Isn't it time you lived a little? Help yourself to a slice of fun. Drive the Cascada.